Hey guys, this is Debbie Shaw from Alternatives in Healthcare Detox Therapy and Mini Med Spa. Just wanted to put this video out there to let you know that on Saturday, March 23rd from 10 until 3, my husband, Dr. Noel Shaw, who's our chiropractor here, and I are going to be co-hosting an open house. We're going to have lots of different providers here that are going to be providing free services. That includes our acupuncturist doing ear beating. Our massage therapist is going to do mini chair massages. My facial injector is going to be doing educational seminars. And she's also going to do lip flips, and for $75 instead of $200. If you don't know what a lip flip is, you need to come in and find out. Big rage nowadays, and really cool, great price. We're going to have a rep from Galderma here telling you about Restylane and Dysport and all kinds of fillers and wrinkle reducers. We're going to have this bed right here that I'm on, and we're going to do a trial on this bed. It's called a Soaky bed, and you will get a free trial time on that. And what else am I forgetting? Adjustments from Dr. Shaw. If you're a first-time client, your complete visit, exam, and consultation and adjustment will be free. If you're one of our patients already, Patient Appreciation Day, you can still come get a free adjustment. So free drinks, free food, raffle prizes, all kinds of fun educational stuff. We're above Trader Joe's at 1101 North Wilmot Road. And again, Saturday, March 23rd from 10 until 3. If you're on my website, all the information is on here. If you're not, you have it now. See you later. Bye.